If you ever needed a security camera that doesn't need Wi-Fi or power delivery, this right here might be your solution because it does it over solar. This is the new Huevue PTZ cam, and I think you're gonna want it. If you ever needed a security camera where there's no Wi-Fi, no power, like a driveway gate, a job site, a cabin, or even a farm, then this is that kind of camera that's supposed to solve that whole problem. This is the Huevue 4G LTE Solar Security Camera, and the idea is simple. No Wi-Fi, no hard wiring, and no outlet needed to power this on. It runs on cellular data and also solar power, so you can literally put it almost anywhere. But the real question is it actually reliable, or is it one of those products that sounds amazing on the box and then disappoints in real life? Let's test it out. Now, Huevue did send me the security camera, but as always, I'll give you guys my honest opinion. Again, if you decide to get this, all the links will be in the description below. It does support the channel at no extra cost to you. So let's start with opening the box. When you first open the box, you get the instruction manuals and quick start guide, and then you get the solar system, you get some mounting options, and also you get the PTZ security camera, and also you get some miscellaneous items to help you with mounting. When it comes to the specs, it's actually pretty jam-packed. The security camera comes with a 2K video, 5-watt solar panel, 9,000 milliamp hour battery. They claim just about 3 hours of sunlight can run it up all day, but obviously that's gonna depend on the weather and how many events it records. Now, this is a PTZ camera, so it does pan, tilt, zoom, and it's also IP66 weather resistant, because that's obvious because it stays outside, and it does have some AI and PIR motion detection, and it also has two-way audio, and it uses a Cam Virgil app, and we'll get to that soon. So there are different mounting options, and there's ways I can mount it either on top of the ceiling off my balcony. So a quick tip, it's probably best to put this where the solar could get as much sunlight, so that's probably where I'll more likely put it, just so then this thing is powered on basically for the whole day. So once you got it on and working, it does use LTE, and they do say you could use something like Verizon or AT&T and a few cellular options, but there is an app where you can get a subscription model and even a free trial just to kind of give it a try before you commit to it. All right, so let's go ahead and test what this security cam looks like. Now, there are a couple features that I think are worth mentioning. This is a 2K camera, so when it's recording, it should give you pretty much clear image. Now, this does have daylight face recognition, and also does have night mode to essentially see at night. And it does have motion detection and AI alerts. So it has something called PIR detection, AI filtering for people, vehicle, and pets as well. And then we did mention that this is a pan, tilt, zoom camera, so you should be able to control the pan, tilt, zoom from the app. In case you ever get an alert, you can essentially turn with the camera using the app. Say you're further away, because it is over LTE, so you should be pretty much good there. And you basically don't have to worry if your Wi-Fi ever goes down. Basically, your security cameras are still working. In case you're wondering, it does come with an SD card, so it was nice enough for Huevue to include that in the box. Speaking of the SD card, it does have storage and cloud playback. Basically, you have 30 days to play back whatever was being recorded. And obviously, if you have an SD card, you could record much longer on the SD card. So obviously, the biggest pro about this is no Wi-Fi is needed, no plugs are needed, or any kind of hard wiring. You just mount it and that's it. The solar system, like again, you want to point that towards the sun as much as possible. Besides that, it shouldn't take you so long to set this up. Now, although this camera is great, there are some cons that I think are worth mentioning. The first one is now you got an additional subscription on top of your own data plan, but I think Huevue knew that, so in the app they do offer a plan. The second thing is you got to make sure you have sunlight. I don't know what it's like yet to have this when you got a week of rain. I'm in California, so it's not as crazy. We're not raining every single day, but I do wonder how well this would stand up when it's raining and barely any sunlight. So is this camera worth it? I've never heard of a camera that does something like this where it doesn't need any kind of Wi-Fi or any kind of hard wiring. In my opinion, this is a great camera to have as a backup or even as a main one, just in case your internet ever goes down. This is still working pretty well. And if you don't have a security camera, you could get probably multiples of these and connect them, so then now you have basically a future-proof security camera in your house. Again, if you decide to get this, all the links will be in the description below. It does support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now watch this next video right here. I think you're gonna want to watch this, and I'll see you guys on the next one.